Ready to transform your artistic skills and learn how to create irresistibly adorable chibi characters in Adobe Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator, create a new document. Adjust the size to fit your needs, starting with a square canvas for ease of sketching. Select the ellipse tool and create a perfect circle. This will be your character's head. Use the direct selection tool to smooth any imperfections if necessary. Next, draw vertical and horizontal guidelines through the center of the circle head. These lines will help determine where the features of your art will be, such as eyes, nose and mouth. For the body, use the rectangle tool and create a bean-shaped torso beneath the head. This body shape gives your chibi character a cute and compact feel. Let's connect the head and the body, then start drawing small, rounded arms. Keep the limbs short and stubby to emphasize the chibi style. Now add adorable legs, cute clothes, and hair. Remember, chibi characters are all about simplifying shapes and accentuating features. Reduce fine detail and use bold outlines to make them extra cutie. Time for those adorable facial features. Use the ellipse tool and create big eyes. Add a small dot for the nose and a simple, open mouth. Don't worry about complex shadowing. Keep those details small and simple. Finally, add color and simple shading. Consider a light and airy background and the effect of your creation will come to life. Experiment with different colors and clothing styles to give your chibi character personality, and there you have it. You now know all you need to know about creating your own chibi art.